Oh, hello there. Today we're going to be learning about animal cells.
Animal cells make up lots of different creatures, such as
bears,
Hey, that's my lunchbox, you stinker.
horses,
A carrot.
Snakes.
rabbits.
Yodi! Yodi! Kaka! Yodi! Yodi!
The cell membrane is flexible, unlike the cell wall.
Cell membrane.
Cell wall.
The mitochondria converts food into energy for the cell.
Nucleus stores.
DNA. The DNA tells these proteins where to go.
the nucleic wall acts like a bodyguard for the nucleus.
How you doing today, sir?
The vacuole in animal cells holds water for the cell.
Oh my god. Dude, it's so hot. I think I'm gonna die.
Shazam.
Gee, thanks, vacuole. The cytoskeleton helps strengthen the cell and maintain its shape.
Come on, Maya! Come on, Cell! Let's go, let's push it, let's push it, one more!
Hey, no junk food on diet. Okay.
Come on, Mario! Come on, push it, you can do it! Come on! Stupid! Stupid! No!
Here, here. Arm up, switch. Here, here, here. Now go. Ah!
Lysosome breaks down larger molecules into smaller molecules.
I like you guys.
The cytoplasm supports all organelles within the cell.
Lean on me when you're not strong.
The endoplasmic reticulum transports materials through the cell.
Got a package for you to deliver. It's on your doorstep. Born to be wild.
We have a code red, Alpha Zero, update.
Who cramped? They spotted me!
Freeze.
Boss, I got you your battery!
Jeez, dude.
I'm sorry, boss. You wouldn't believe what I had to do for this thing.
Great.
Okay, bye, boss.